How you doing, sir? Where are you coming from? Have you been drinking? You're free to go. You are on your way to Bishop, and you see that there's a casino on the way there. Gas mileage is not all that great. We're getting probably about 12 miles per gallon, so we're gonna play $20 and see if we can somehow win our money back that we spent on gas. You guys ready? Let's do it. Boom!
Well guys, I just threw away $20.
Exactly. We didn't win. Basically, yeah, threw away $20, but it was fun, right? We got secondhand smoke, lost 20 bucks, and doesn't get better than that. Pirata! What's up, bro? What are you bumping? Britney Spears?
I don't know, but I can't turn it off.
No way, it's broken.
This thing is jamming out, dude. It's a 20-year-old car, bro.
All right, so now finally en route to destination. We had to do a couple of pit stops, gas, use the restroom, eat some food. We're gonna just keep going. We've been driving for about 7 hours now because of traffic, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna enjoy some good food, some drinks, and enjoy those natural hot springs. So I'm gonna do a quick demonstration of what these Baja designs can do. Right now I just have my headlights on. Keep in mind these are LED lights, they're not stock halogens, but we're gonna turn the S2s. These are considered my fog lights. I can rock these even when I'm out on my daily commute. Now we're gonna be doing the Squadron Pros, and then the fogs. This is just all amber right here, and as you can see here, it's actually helping with the dust. It's definitely cutting through. So if you are looking for lights that will cut through the dust, amber does a great job. Now we're going to be turning on the pillar lights just to kind of get a sense of the surroundings to our left and to our right. And unfortunately, the LP6s, when it's really dusty like this, they don't really work. As you can see, it just kind of makes everything crazier, but it gives you guys an idea how bright those things are. Now, another important thing about trailing at night in a very dusty situation like we are right now, right in front of us is Marvin from Beyond Wraps, and he does have his chase lights on. Chase lights are very important because they give you an idea how far the person is in front of you. So if you guys are looking for chase lights, you don't necessarily need two of them like his, but one chase light will do the job. Marvin. Hi, bro.
No, thank you.
If you come in, dude, oh, I'll sponsor you.
With what, stickers?
I don't know what we're doing in here, guys, but
It's freaking freezing.
it's nice in here, but once we get out,
Good luck.
be brutal.
You're not getting in my car. It's nice and warm in here.
Looking forward to rubbing your coronavirus wet body on my face. Thank you.
All right, thank you, bro.
Why is it dripping wet?
Because I have
Do you get it in the
on.
water?
Huh?
Oh my god.
This is Daniel's towel, by the way. This dude's like, hey, you want to borrow some soap? I've got some soap if you want.
Guys, it is freezing. Oh, wow. Way to ruin it.
Wow. We're trying to be on discreet, and this guy freaking remote starts his truck. All the lights turn off. Freaking embarrassing, dude. Let me feel you real quick. Ah! My hands are so cold.
Morning. How'd you sleep? How's that iCamper doing? pretty good. I was very impressed last night because it was really windy, and the fact that it has a hard shell, we faced it against the wind, it actually held up really well. I mean, you can still kind of hear the wind noise here and there, but for the most part it did really well. And of course the buddy heater came in clutch, kept us pretty warm, huh? How'd you guys sleep? Oh. How was that new bird nest? By the way, I just realized I called it a bird nest. It's called a roof nest. But how was it?
It was good.
Yeah?
It was good. I'm really happy with it.
Does that hardtop help with the wind?
Yeah, definitely.
Big time, huh?
Big time, big time.
Yeah, I was telling him earlier that I noticed back in the day when I had my other tents, the fact that they didn't have a hardtop, it made a huge difference.
Yeah.
Like it would just shake around, and now if you face it against the wind, it definitely helps. All right, Marvin, so you brought us to this new little spot here. Tell us a little bit about how you found this place, and is there any history behind it?
Yeah, dude, this is Alabama Hills, Movie Road. Lone Pine was very popular back in the days where they used to come over here and film Western movies. So that's how this place started getting its rep, because of the sceneries. It looks like, you know, a desert and, you know, like Arizona and stuff like that. So they used to come and film old Westerns here. And Hollywood, you know, they had their eye on this place for years and years. And then nowadays, they've been filming more modern movies. Stuff like, they filmed Star Wars here, they filmed Star Trek, Tremors. They even filmed the scene in Iron Man where he's presenting the Jericho missile to the people in the Middle East, and he blows up the mountain range in the background. Mount Whitney was that background.
We have the real overlander right here, Marvin, with the one wheel. We're going to be capturing him going over a very difficult obstacle. You want to rate it a what?
It's rated between,
I say a 4-star.
I think it's like 100 to 200 likes on your Instagram post. That's what it's rated at.
How about this? If this video gets 100 likes, I will grab this board and do the same obstacle. Hey, I'm stuck.
That's too bad. We're gonna have to run over you. Hey, maybe it's a good time for you to use those Max Tracks.
Yeah, actually, we're gonna put them to the test and see if they work.
Use those things?
Yeah, I've used them never. We are officially stuck. Pretty far in there. We're gonna get the shovels, shovel it out, possibly use the KC tracks, and see what happens.